guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Motors and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I've got two boxes of products. Because Sketchy has a hitch, I never had a ball hitch for it. So I selected a ball hitch from the LANDTOP store. They call it LANDTOP Mall. Go check it out in the link in the description. Lots of items. Here's the ball hitch that I received. Big ball and a little ball. You can choose which one that's applicable for the trailer that you might be hitching. It also comes with a height adjuster adapter. You can place this in your standard 2-inch hitch receiver and then have it either like this, high, or if you're using like a garden trailer, which is very small and low, you can put it on a low setting. To even put it lower, you can turn this downwards. And they sent me another box with a bunch of goodies, all from LANDTOP. Some stickers for landscaping business, farm safety notes, heavy duty working. We're talking all about safety here, in addition to a couple of LANDTOP hats. Yeah, this is a free gift by purchase. As the summers are around the corner, it can get very hot, especially if your car doesn't have AC. Sketchy has AC. But you could attach this mini fan in case you don't. If you have a tractor trailer with a cab over, you don't have AC, it's an old model. You just pop this fan onto this bracket here with a suction cup with the adjustment right onto your windshield. And now you plug it into your USB port, and now you have a little bit of wind in your car. Or you could attach it onto your lawn track. Just plug the fan into your USB. Stick the fan to your windshield. Clamp it down. And turn on the switch. Faster. Faster. Off. So thanks for the free gift. As you know, on my channel, I pick up lawn tractors off the street, sometimes at night, with cars going back and forth in the dark. So it's very, very dangerous. I try to keep all my lights on so that people will see me so they won't run into me. What I really need is this. A beacon strobe warning light. So simply wire the beacon to your 12-volt battery somewhere. And also, it's magnetic. So it sticks to your roof. Now you can be assured that people are going to see this bright strobe in the nighttime, in the dark, and that they won't run into you. Like they said, safety first, right? And this is what it looks like at night. So these are just two things that are on the LANDTOP Mall. Thousands of things that you may need for your business or for your personal use. I chose the beacon because I needed it, and I chose the ball hitch because I know someday I will need it. This is high quality, big time, really nicely made, and you have peace of mind that it has the two lock pins so that nobody can steal them as you're parked at the mall somewhere. But go visit the LANDTOP Mall and browse their thousands of units on their website. I'll leave the link in the description, and we'll see you guys next time on Motors and